Hop into the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This boldly stylish Corolla Cross offers the efficiency and convenience you need, as well as the comfort and amenities you want. From its practical design and sought-after advanced safety features to its smooth ride, roomy cabin, and connected tech, this sensible daily driver makes your busy lifestyle feel easy-peasy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, lane keeping assist, satellite radio. Make the commute your happy place in this comfortable, well-equipped Corolla Cross. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.